President, Pakistan will vote in favor of the resolution currently before the Assembly on the peaceful settlement of the question of Palestine. The ceasefire must be implemented fully, with no unilateral actions or military activities. Withdrawal of Israeli forces from Gaza remains essential. Third, full humanitarian access must be guaranteed. With winter approaching and large parts of Gaza destroyed, the population needs sustained life-saving assistance. Any obstruction of aid violates international humanitarian law and must not be allowed under any pretext. It is a reminder that the world must now turn promises into action. Pakistan's solidarity with the Palestinian people is steadfast, and we stand with them in their legitimate struggle for dignity, justice, and self-determination, and for the realization of an independent Palestinian state. And I thank you.